What's up guys, my name is Bry and this is my 2002 Volkswagen Jetta. What is going on guys?
What is up?
What up guys? Been on camera for you guys, so if we hear little pops and bangs, stay tuned.
What's up Endlessz Crew? I'm back with another video. I know I haven't been uploading, but you know, I just wanted to show you guys that I got a new car. It's a 2002 Volkswagen Jetta. It's a 1.8, so it's got a turbo. Let me show you guys the engine. I'm obviously not here with any of the crew members. Most of them are obviously working, but I decided I'd pull out some content for you guys. So as you guys can see, it's the famous 1.8T. So I went with this type of engine because I know it's able to make good power, and I got it for a steal. So you guys can see it's an automatic. I got this for a great steal. 88,000 miles. Just don't hose me for this shit. I'm obviously gonna be probably manual swapping it later on. Full stock interior. It's pretty clean. It's got a few dings, but I'm obviously gonna be able to fix it down the road. It's pretty clean. I mean, I'm gonna swap some of the seats out, maybe do a rear seat delete. The trunk, it's got hella space. Obviously I have hella fucking parts in the back. This all came with the car, just like that. And as you guys can tell, I did a little some little small mods and shit. Obviously I will be fixing this rust. This is one of the cons that this car comes with. We'll be sanding, I ordered some new fenders, so I will be swapping these out, and then I will just be sanding this down. But other than that, this car is freaking mint. She got some decent ass pulls. I mean, she's not fast, but she's reliable. Yeah, man. My plans for this are pretty much to upgrade it and make the most power I can out of this 1.8T. And yeah, we'll just see from there, honestly. This is also bad, terrible right there. But yeah, everything's pretty stock. The car's stock. I obviously wanted it like this, but it will be getting fixed later on. So let's start her up and hear how she sounds. So she's pretty much straight pipe from the center console down. So that means I still have the two cats that are connected to the turbo. And yeah, obviously I will be getting the down pipe because, you know, I'm trying to get loud as fuck. Because, you know, fuck my neighbors. Alright guys, so this is gonna wrap up this video. I know it was pretty short, but I really wanted to showcase the car. You know, since a lot of people have been asking me what year it is, what kind of motor I have, if it's a manual, a non-manual. Obviously, once again, we'll be swapping this out later on once the stock tranny gives up on me. But yeah, I will be adding some pulls at the end of the video so you guys can hear how she sounds and how she pulls. And she's kind of a little bit slow, but you know, we'll get there to making it fast and stuff like that. But yeah guys, make sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
You gon' work at 2. They go from 15, how you pay 22. Hold up.
I know this video was short, but I will be adding some pulls in Mexico, obviously.